Hey everyone, get ready for some hilarious fails and unexpected moments that'll keep you laughing. Don't worry, that was only a lightweight plastic wall.
Ow! He hit my leg!
I went straight through the glass panel, but thankfully he's fine. Be careful when using tools like this, and always keep safety in mind.
没有，还没来。准备了。
She went down pretty quickly, but fortunately she walked away just fine.
Here goes Kyrie! Damn it!
He looks completely confused by everything happening in front of him. It looks like that whole setup was actually a clever little trick. She lost her grip unexpectedly, though luckily she wasn't hurt. Luckily, the vehicle regained its balance in a split second. Who else got caught completely off guard by that scene? I wasn't watching behind him and ended up taking an unexpected fall. Looks like that slide didn't go quite as planned. The slide had a very different ending than they expected. The wet surface caught her off guard, and down she went.
Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? We
Looks
just
like he got pranked while he was still
Instagram.
fast asleep. She tried to handle the swing, but it quickly had other plans.
God. Oh, shit!
She lost control of the ride, but the good news is she's okay. That sudden loss of control looked scary, but fortunately she's fine. That sudden wave came out of nowhere and caught him off guard. Be careful when tearing down a wall like this, but thankfully, he's fine. Luckily, the noodles weren't hot anymore, so she's completely fine. She lost control of the swing for a moment, though thankfully she wasn't hurt. One second she was calm, and the next she was dealing with water everywhere. The jump ended with a splash, and luckily she wasn't hurt. She slipped and fell, but thankfully she's completely fine.
You're not breaking in. No te preocupes.
I went for a kick at the punching bag, but the move didn't quite work out.
He gets a little bit intense.
She didn't notice the crossbar and bumped into it, but she was okay.
Thanks for it.
She slipped on the stairs, but thankfully she's completely fine. Her skateboard attempt didn't go as planned, but thankfully she's completely fine. Looks like these two misjudged the balance just a little.
You're good. You're good. Wait, wait, wait.
The slide clearly decided it had enough before he reached the water. Who else has tried learning to ride a horse this way? She fell while stepping down, but thankfully she's completely fine.
この姿、お茶目でやんちゃ。優等生にはな。
She stayed up for a moment before the water finally sent her down. Thanks for watching. If these funny moments made you laugh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more.